This is my mom's first hairpiece. I'm showing her how to get it a little flatter when you have a lot of return hairs and such. So this is already flat, as you can see, but when you bring another layer of the hair down, you can see how it has that lift, which causes that excess volume, which you don't really want unless you do, but my mom does not want that. So what you do is, I wet my hand. See all that lift? Add that water, then the thermal spray. Protect that hair. Then I go in with the blow dryer. Already you can see that it's flatter. Using your hand to help flatten that out more. Then finally go with a hot curling rod to finish it off, give that extra flatness. How's it look, Ma?
Beautiful.
So to make sure you get it really flat, make sure you do what I did here and pin up all the hair and bring it down section by section. This is to make sure that the heat of the blow dryer and the curling iron is reaching throughout all the hair, not just the top. Looks a lot more realistic now after flattening it out. What do you think, Ma?
I love it. Simply love it.
Take a look at that silk, y'all. Silk. Gotta keep working on that front part, which is kind of tricky sometimes, but we will get it.